Crab, ti'n cofio?
Crank.
Lobster?
Brawd crab. Crank.
Brawd y crank. Cymwch.
Cymwch?
Dwi'n mynd i gynnig geiriau i ti a ti'n goffa dyfalu. Guess, beth yw ystyr y geiriau, iawn? Alright, wnco.
Beth?
Wnco.
Wnco.
Yeah. Pwy yw hwnna, wnco?
What's happened there?
Wnco.
Look at him.
Yeah, him over there.
Yeah.
Him over there, wnco. Sboncen.
Oh, yeah, it's not squash, is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Squash. Bwci-bo.
Yeah.
Bwci-bo.
Bwci-bo.
O, bydd yna falus efo bwci-bos yn dod.
Mae iar ar y bol y tost. Spirits? No.
Yeah. Chwit-chwat.
Chwit-chwat.
He's scatty all over the place.
Fi on.
Iachawdwriaeth.
Yeah, salvation.
Diwygiad.
Revival.
Yeah. Independence.
Rydiad? No, Annibyniaeth.
Annibyniaeth. Man a monkey.
Oh, man a monkey, man. It's just a man a monkey.
Almost, yeah, might as well. Might as well.
Where's man a monkey?
Man a monkey. Chwrli gwgan.
Chwrli gwgan?
Yeah. Beth yw chwrli gwgan? And a fire.
And a fire. Oh, carousel.
Merry-go-round. Spigoglis.
Spigoglis.
Yeah. Which i di cael spanakopita.
Spanakopita? No,
Pastry bach gyda.
O panacotta?
No. Spigoglis. Spinach.
Oh.
Clapcho.
Clutcho.
Yeah, clapcho.
Clutcho.
Ar y cair rugby.
Yeah. Clutcho.
Clapcho. Punch. To hit someone, yeah.
Clutcho bwrw.
Yeah, that's it. Os hoff eiriau gyda'r plant, maen nhw'n defnyddio lot.
Na, daddy.
Na, daddy, yeah.